When I was younger, I used to be scared of thunder and lightning. I used to run, go get in the bed with my mom, or go in the closet. Now I sit and watch, and it's just amazing. Pray to God I never get electrocuted, but looking at the lightning is amazing. Mother Nature is amazing. Just trying to get a shot of when it's lightning. I can't hide from it no more. Here we go. It's raining, it's thundering, it's lightning. Let's see. As soon as I start recording, it stopped lightning. What's up, everyone? What's up? Hello, hello. Like I said, back in the day when I was younger, I used to be scared of thunder and lightning. Now, it's beautiful to look at. Let me see. There we go. Just sit. Just sitting, chilling, listening to the thunder and lightning. Do anyone else out there find thunder and lightning soothing to hear? Ooh. Ooh. Let's sit back and watch Mother Nature. Did y'all ever hear that saying growing up, when it's thunder and lightning, that the devil is beating his wife? I used to hear that when I was growing up. But I don't believe that. But that's what they used to say growing up. When there's thunder and lightning, the devil is beating his wife. Welcome to In the Bedroom with M&M's. Oh, there we go. You can hear it. I want y'all to see it. If it's thunder and lightning where you at, you can hear it. Wait till you see it. And somebody told me when it's lightning that it's coming from the bottom up. I don't see that either. I don't know how true that is. But that's what somebody said. It's raining me. I'm just going live just to show little Mother Nature at its finest. Little Mother Nature. Ooh. Ooh. There you go. Little thunder. Little thunder, little lightning. Do anyone else find thunder and lightning soothing to listen to? Also to look at. I know I can't be the only one. Like I said, when I was younger, I used to run for this. As soon as I hear thunder and lightning, I used to hide underneath the bed or go in the closet. I say, Mommy, can I get in the bed with you? Ooh, in the bed with you? Welcome to Eminem World. Ooh. I don't know how to work this TikTok, y'all. I just know how to push the button and say live. Ooh. Just a little thunder and lightning. It's a beautiful Monday morning. Beautiful Monday night. Ooh. The sounds of Mother Nature. Hi. Hello, hello. Happy Peppy. Yeah, I don't know how to work this TikTok. There's too many little buttons. I don't got no glasses on. But hello. Ooh, damn, missed that. Trying to get a good picture of the. Was you scared when you was growing up? Are you scared? Still scared of thunder and lightning? Can you just sit and watch it and listening to it? Or do you go to the safest spot away from windows? Ooh. I know I'm about to put this phone down, though. It's pouring down. Ooh. It's raining men. Sorry. It's a beautiful night. Thunder and lightning. Yep, I just wanted to capture some of the thunder and lightning. Ooh, it's cutting up. In my plants. Okay. You in the bedroom with Eminem? Just listening to the thunder, watching the lightning. On this beautiful Tuesday morning. The question is, are you scared of thunder and lightning? Can you sit and watch it and listen to it? Or do you go where there's no windows? Ooh. It's a beautiful view, though. Seems like it's calming down. It's calming down. Battery about to go dead. Alright, y'all have a beautiful, blessed Tuesday. New day, new blessings. Spread love. Be that positive light that shine bright. Shake off all the negativity, negative thoughts, negative energy. Ooh. And fill your cup up with love, peace, unity, togetherness, family, respect, all the good things that life is meant to be. I can't believe I'm sitting up here watching and listening. When I was younger, I used to run and hide. Mother Nature. Look at my plants just growing. Oh my goodness. And y'all see where my plants started from and where they at now. But peace out, one love. Welcome to In the Bedroom with Eminem. Get back working out. Oh. Ooh. Peace out. One love. Remember to be that positive light. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little